Yo, here's how I create the hologram effect using After Effects. I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys. I know you guys have been asking me for a tutorial for quite long enough now, so I decided to create a tutorial on how I create the screen hologram effects using After Effects. So let's just do it. So open up After Effects. You just have to create a new project here. I've created a new project. Just double click here on your project tab and go to your videos and import the video that you want to add the hologram to. So I'm just going to look for a video where I'm sitting pressing my phone. So the video is in. I'm going to drag it here. I'm just going to go straight to where I sat down and I'm holding my phone. Now I'm going to make a cut. To make a cut in After Effects, click on Ctrl+Shift+D. I'll just drag it here. I'll just go to where I'm holding my phone. Yeah, I think here is perfect. And I click on OK. I think here is okay. I'll just drag this in. So remove this space here. All you just need to do is drag this built-in in here and right click and click on Trim Comp to Work Area. And you can see that it has covered the space out there. So I'm going to import my hologram or screen record. Here's my screen record. I'm going to bring it into After Effects. So what I do first is I'll just go here, click on Tracker. So click on Track Motion. You're going to track the hologram to your phone because it will come out of your phone. So I'll click on Track Motion, and when you click on Track Motion, you can zoom in on your video. And After Effects, this is the selection tool, this is the hand tool, this is the zoom tool. If you want to zoom your video, click on the zoom tool and you can see now, I want to zoom to the phone. That's how you zoom there. So I'll just go back to the selection tool. I'll just zoom in. I'll place this track point to my phone. See this track point now, I'm dragging now. I'll just go to where there's contrast in the video and I'll place it there so the thing will not shake. So I'll place it on my phone to track my phone movement. You use the tracker to track the motion of your phone, and I'll click on Analyze Forward. After Effects is done tracking the footage, what you're going to do next is to create a null object. A null object is where you can record the motion that you have tracked or the footage you have tracked. So to create a null object, all you need to do is right-click here on your timeline, click on New, and click on Null Object. So this rest of is the null object where you record the footage that you tracked. Click on Edit Target. So click on null 1. It has to be null 1. The layer has to be null 1. Click OK and click on Apply. Apply X and Y. So you see that the motion you tracked has been recorded on the null object. So what you do next is import your hologram footage here. When you import it, you're gonna resize it. To resize it, you have to make this your hologram footage or screen record a 3D layer. To make it a 3D layer, click on this, click here to make it a 3D layer. Then you click on this and click on Transform, and you can now scale it down to how you want, the size you want. So I've scaled it down. I'll just drag the position, and I could just use this stuff you're seeing here now. Yeah, to place it to where I want it to be. I want it to be on top of the phone, so I'll just scale it down a little bit more. I think 31 will be okay, size. So I'll position it to where I want it to be. Yeah, I want it to be on top of my phone, and I'll raise it up a little bit more so you guys can see it. And I'll use the orientation to make it look like it's coming out from my phone, to place it the way it will be to look good. I'm gonna use the orientation to fix it up. So I think I've placed it well to how I want. So next thing you want to do is to make it look like it's coming out from your phone. So next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna parent it so you can move, the hologram can move with your phone at the same time. So to do that, you just click on this pick whip and drag it to the null. And when you drag it to the null object, you can see that it's now following your phone movement. The hologram, anywhere you place a phone, it will follow it. So what I'll do next is to make it look like it's coming out of my phone. And to do that, what you need to do is click on your hologram footage, tap on it. Yeah, I'll just hide it. Go to where you want it to start, then hide it. Click on 0 on the scale, then create a keyframe and go to where you want it to end, or where you want it to end, and create another keyframe and put it back to the original size. So I'll play it out now. It looks like it came out from my phone. Let me play it again. So it looks like it came out from my phone. Yeah, so to make it smooth, I'll click on this second keyframe, right click there, click on keyframe assistant and click on easy ease to smoothen it out. So just watch it. Yeah, so you can see it's smooth. So what we'll do next is here on your hologram video or screen record, you click on T to bring out the opacity panel. You decrease the opacity. I like to decrease it to 60. Yeah. I've decreased it to 60 and you can see that you're not seeing it clearly. Then what I do next is I'll go to my effects panel, my effects and presets, and drag glow effect. I'll drag my glow effect on top of my hologram footage and you can see that it will be shiny. So look at it. So that's basically it, how I create the hologram effect. So next thing you do is just export your footage and color grade in Premiere Pro. Click on composition and click on add to render queue. So you come here to output and click the name of your footage, yeah, and where you want to store it. So mine is I'll just name it hologram. Oh my god, I'll save it to my videos. Then I'll click on render. Then After Effects, you just render your footage. So when After Effects is done rendering your footage, you can now export it to Premiere Pro and color grade. Thank you. See you on the next one.